any moment she'd stop and go for a piss. At any moment. Oh! She does that. She just stops dead and does a shit. She just stops dead and does a shit. That's all she does. Like stops on the spot, in the middle of the road. Oh, not that way, not that way. Oh, let me know. Oh, dog. See that? This way. Come on, mush. This is not bad. She's been out for a while. Sort of personal transportation. Kind of works. Feed the dog and the dog pulls you around. Something for my money. Come on, Siva, mush, mush. Come on, you can do it. Siva, push. Come on, let's go. The good thing with the skates, you can power yourself up. So the dog's not pulling me at the moment. I'm just pulling myself. So as the dog gets more energetic, it puts more tension to what he sees, and the dog is not. Oh, the dogs! She's in the dogs! I'm in trouble! Siva, slow down! Slow down! No, Siva! Don't run! Don't run! Siva! Siva, no! Siva! Good girl! Good girl! They can get really scary. Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! No, huwag ka andar. Go, go, a little bit further. Just come on, pull, you can do it. Come on, Siva, you know where you're going. Come on, give me some more. Give me some more, Siva. That's it, Jesus, it's just there. Come on. Hey, Jesus. Come on, do it, do it, there, good girl, good girl. Come on, give me some more. Give me some more. Almost there.